wow, multiple offers in 30 minutes. The first 30 minutes, literally 50 buyers, cash buyers coming in 30 minutes. This is hot. If you are thinking of selling your home, the way our RBID system works is that in a very short period of time, we call in all of the buyers in waiting in our database. These are pre-approved, pre-qualified, ready, willing to go buyers, ready to put an offer right now. And this is it. This is just another example going on right now live in Rosemead. RBID homes, multiple offers, sold in 30 minutes. Think about it. How does it benefit the consumers when the owner of the house thinking of selling their home today, when they hire a real estate agent, the traditional real estate model, all the agents do put a for sale sign in front of the house and passively waiting for the buyers to come in. Right? Think about it. If you're selling your home, you hire me. How do you feel if all I do put a for sale sign in front of your house and waiting passively on an hour's open house, kick you out of your own home and waiting for buyers to come in? So that's the reason why at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, we redefine that. We change how real estate industry works. So when the consumers, when the owner of the house hire our team to sell their home, right now in my database, we already have over 45,000 buyers ready, willing, and able to buy, looking to buy homes right now.